Hey guys, Connor Maurer with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a 2018 Stingray 182 SC that we just got on brokerage. So first off, it does come with the trailer that it is currently sitting on. Now as far as the exterior condition goes, it is in flawless shape. And it's got a beautiful mint green hull color, giving it a little bit of a different look on the water. Now, going into the interior of the boat here, all the upholstery is in great shape. There is no rips, tears, or stains. So everything is in great shape from that point. Now, you do have a total of 4 speakers on here with a Bluetooth head unit, so making connectivity nice and easy. Then we also do have a Garmin GPS and fish finder. So easy to use that to navigate around the lake and to also set, actually be able to see what you're catching that day. Now going back to the stern here, got really nice bench seating. It's pretty incredible how much seating this 18-foot boat has. Then of course, tied in with the bimini top, there's really nothing that this boat cannot do, especially with having 115 horsepower Suzuki on it. Can pull the tubers down the lake very easily, having a tow bar that is ready to do it all. All right guys, my name is Connor Maurer with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching.